Dear friends, let's go on another quick journey through time to unravel the threads of history that brought us the humble yet indispensable sewing kit. This tale is not just about needles and thread, but about human ingenuity, resilience, and the timeless quest for improvement. Our story begins in the dawn of human civilization. Picture early humans clad in animal skins, huddling around flickering fires. As the chill of the night set in, someone, perhaps an observant woman, or a creative man, noticed that simply draping animal hides over the body was far from ideal. These early garments were loose and cumbersome, offering scant protection against the elements. It was a problem begging for a solution. Enter the first sewing kit, though rudimentary and far removed from the neat little boxes we know today. Imagine a hunter returning with a bone needle fashioned from the splintered rib of a prey, its tip painstakingly sharpened against stone. The thread? Sinew pulled from the same animal, strong and durable. This primitive but ingenious invention allowed our ancestors to stitch hides together, creating snugger, warmer clothing that hugged the body and moved with it. Fast forward a few millennia, and we find ourselves in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians, always ahead of their time, refined the sewing kit. They crafted needles from bronze and copper, marvels of early metallurgy. Their thread, spun from linen, was finer and more flexible. Egyptian tombs have revealed exquisitely sewn garments, testifying to their advanced skills. As we travel further along the timeline, we encounter the industrious Romans. Renowned for their engineering feats, they also appreciated the finer points of domestic life. Roman sewing kits, known as acupetles, included needles, thread, small scissors, and even thimbles. These kits were often carried by soldiers on campaigns, ensuring they could mend their tunics and sandals on the march. The Middle Ages in Europe saw the sewing kit evolve further. With the advent of trade, new materials like silk from the Far East and cotton from India became available. Tailors and seamstresses honed their craft, and sewing kits grew more sophisticated. Needles were now made of steel, and thread was dyed in vibrant colors. This period also saw the rise of guilds, where knowledge of sewing and tailoring was meticulously passed down through generations. Then came the Industrial Revolution, a time of rapid change and innovation. Factories began mass-producing sewing needles and thread, making them more affordable and accessible. The sewing machine, invented by Elias Howe and perfected by Isaac Singer, revolutionized garment making. However, the trusty sewing kit remained a household staple, indispensable for repairs and custom alterations. Today, the sewing kit has become a compact marvel of modern design. It typically contains an assortment of needles, colorful threads, buttons, safety pins, and even a small pair of scissors. It's a far cry from the bone needles and sinew of our ancestors, yet it serves the same fundamental purpose: to mend, create, and ensure that our garments serve us well. So the next time you reach for your sewing kit to fix a loose button or hem a pair of pants, take a moment to appreciate the rich history behind this unassuming little box. It's a testament to human creativity and the relentless pursuit of making life just a little bit better, one stitch at a time. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.